What's going on, guys and girls? Today we are going to continue with pack a day, but instead of going with a set pack like Cosmic Eclipse or Hidden Fates, I have put a bunch of packs into this bag. I'm going to mix them up. I'm going to pull a pack out and we'll get into it and see what we got, guys. So I will do this just so you guys can see that I'm not looking in the bag. I can't see anything. And we pull out Cosmic Eclipse. So we will get into that. Now, there's a bunch of different packs in here, guys. See if I can show you here. Let's see. I got Ancient Origins in there. Burning Shadows. Cosmic Eclipse. I think I still got some Hidden Fates in there. But let's get into Cosmic Eclipse. Really? Alright. And don't worry, guys. I do pick up all my trash afterwards. So, alright, let's see if I can do this here, guys. Since I don't want to see the code card. Actually, Cosmic Eclipse. Let me take the code card without looking here and set it right here for right now. Alright, so we got Leaf Energy, Throw, Tangrowth, Lily's Full Force, Palpitoon, Kricketot, Apom, Woobat, Ducklet. Our reverse is a Herdier, and our rare is a Phione. So nothing doing on that one. And there's the code card for you guys. So, guess that pack a day, we struck out, guys. So just be sure to like the video. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Hit that notification bell so you know when I post. And I'll catch you all in the next video.